oil doesn't move randomly, and right now the market is reacting to the war. Let me show you exact level traders are watching on the US oil chart. Whenever a conflict escalates, oil is the first market to react. So why oil is exploding right now? Let me explain exactly how it is through CRT terms. So let me dive in from the bigger picture, which is the yearly chart. As you guys can see, this is the range we are playing on the yearly. The same with Brent crude oil. So I always take it Brent for a proper market flow, because you will definitely find out Kraken correlation between these two. So inside this huge time frame with this huge range which is playing, you can see that we have a smaller range which is being played out inside this bigger range. The same with Brent. This is the range. And I want you to analyze something very important. There is something very interesting which is happening in this chart on the yearly. If you can find out, pause the video for 5 seconds and let me know what you see. So if you saw what I saw, then you are on the right path on CRT. You are having a X-ray vision, just like how Romeo says. So as you guys can see, 2025 candle was not souped on the WTI crude oil, whereas on the Brent we did got a soup. So that is a perfect yearly turtle soup and an SMT in play on the yearly chart. That's something very big. We usually don't get an SMT this soon on a yearly chart. We just started, and we're just on March, and we have an SMT as soon as we started this year. And guess what? Why this market push so fast? And I'm on the 6 months time frame. Look what is here. Look what's happening here. We don't have a soup on the 6 months, whereas on the WTI we had a soup here. As you guys can see, this is a soup we got on the 25 candle 2025, whereas on Brent we didn't have. So this was the range, we got a soup. And guess what? The third candle is the fastest candle, like how you guys know. And this went super fast, like how Romeo says. You got to position your entry on this. So if you would have been a swing trader, this was your entry, and you would have got this big piece of cake for this year. And this is the fastest candle, and that's exactly why this move was super fast. And yeah, you could say it is a coincidence with the war which is happening. The war would have made this move higher. People would be talking about, because of the war we went high, but if you are a CRT trader, you know we are in the third candle. Third candle is the fastest candle, and that is exactly matching up with the war. So you can take it however you want, but if you're a CRT trader, then this is what it is. And let me show you what I did for the lower time frame. So we had a gap up here. Keep in mind, this gap up is not normal. Market definitely needs to visit this gap here. It just cannot go unfilled. It just need to come in, fill in this gap, and then maybe take it up. So watch out for this SMT as well. We have an SMT in play, which is not normal. Same with the weekly and daily. We still on the third candle. We still don't have a daily CRT yet, and that is exactly why I took a trade on the 4 hour, which was this one. That was so clean. This was the candle I took. I TP'd exactly at 50% of the range. We did have the same setup on Brent as well, but WTI was cleaner for me with on the 15 minutes order block. You could have taken it here, but for me, my cleanest entry was this 15-minute order block, and I got a perfect New York session entry with a 1 to 3. I got a 1 to 3, perfect 1 to 3. My SL was right above, and this was my trade. This is perfect. Yeah, why I said 1 to 3, because your spread is there. So if you enter somewhere here, your spread will give you an entry somewhere here, maybe a 5 to 6 pips down. I did exit exactly 50% because you know what's happening, and I don't want to risk till the drawn liquidity here. The drawn liquidity is here, but unfortunately market didn't go there. Like how Romeo says, 50% UTP and you have a better win rate, almost 100% win rate. And on the 4 hour, at the moment, live market condition, this is exactly what's happening. This is exactly what's happening. This is a trade which is happening. So watch out. We already have an SMT here. We already have an SMT cooking here. But we did close above the 50% of the range. So maybe you might have a small push down and then go up out. So watch out for this. So yeah, that's my take on US oil. And for what's happening around this world, please be careful in how you're playing oil, because you never know when and how it reacts. And to the people who are affected in the war right now, I pray for the people who are in the war, who are facing those difficult times. I hope the war comes to an end very soon and peace be on earth very soon. And yeah, everyone deserves to be in peace. So yeah, trade safe guys, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video with Euro USD and GUU with the next trade update. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a like, and please do subscribe for more amazing videos like these. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.